One simple way to maintain normal erections. Hi, my name is Arnold P. Joyce. I am 47 years old and I work as a medical researcher in a well-known clinic in Cleveland. I have always been passionate about plants and their ability to support our good health, and I have been researching what are some good natural ways that could help any man support a healthy and strong erection. So I perfected an easy yet powerful formula, which consists of amazing vitamins in plants such as milk thistle, cayenne, Korean ginseng, banaba, corosolic acid, zinc, resveratrol, alpha-lipoic acid, or green tea. I truly believe this formula will change your life, and I will be more than happy to share it with anyone who needs it. A formula that will support the health of your erections in a new and revolutionary way. Before turning this formula into a supplement, I made sure that it is pure and natural, with ingredients sourced from local growers that let plants naturally reach their full maturity and use no chemical treatments. 100% effective. Mixing ingredients in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact. 100% safe. Processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipment. After all my requirements were 100% met, I finally had the final product. I proudly present to you Aizen Power. Every capsule is made here, in the USA, in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility, under sterile, strict and precise standards. Aizen Power capsules are non-GMO and safe. You can rest assured that they do not contain any dangerous stimulants or toxins, and more importantly, they are not habit-forming. You can get a 30-day supply of Aizen Power for a one-time fee of just $69. That's right. Just $69. You can now support healthy erections with 100% natural ingredients, reclaiming your masculinity and enjoying the best sex of your life. Plus, with every order made today, you also get free shipping. How does that sound? Take a look below. The moment you place the order, you'll be taken to a secure checkout page. Just fill in your payment details by using a credit or debit card. After you fill in your information and confirm, your package will be shipped for free right to your doorstep as soon as possible. If you order the 3 bottles or 6 bottles package, which we highly recommend as we estimate that we will run out of stocks soon as this has happened before, you'll also take advantage of a huge discount. Just click below to select your package. The order you place today is a one-time payment. No subscription. No hidden charges. Basic. 1 bottle. 30-day supply. Total, $99.69. Free US shipping. Best value. 6 bottles. 180-day supply. Total, $594, $294. Free US shipping. Most popular. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. Total, $297, $177. Free US shipping. All you need to remember is that Aizen Power can be found only on this page and is not available for purchase anywhere else. So, take advantage of the only chance to grab this exclusive formula. Once again, Aizen Power is selling very fast, as thousands of people are eager to see for themselves the amazing results of this product. But once it will be sold out, it will take me at least 8 months to restock on the rare ingredients and produce another batch. So, hurry up and make your choice. If you have doubts, I totally get you. So, you know what? I am so confident that Aizen Power will work for you too that I'm going to give you our ironclad 60-day money-back guarantee. If you are not happy with the benefits Aizen Power has to offer, we will issue a full refund. Just contact us in the first 60 days from your purchase. Even if you used up the entire bottle or not, we would still give you your money back. This means you have 2 whole months to see if Aizen Power is the right choice for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a safe and secure one-time simple payment. Make your choice by clicking below, enter your payment details on our secure order form, and place the order now. We will ship your bottles directly to your home. I can't wait to hear your opinion after trying Aizen Power. Remember, for each order of 3 and 6 bottles you will have a big discount, and every order comes with free shipping, no matter where you live. Basic. 1 bottle. 30-day supply. Total, $99.69. Free US shipping. Best value. 6 bottles. 180-day supply. Total, $594, $294. Free US shipping. Most popular. 3 bottles. 90-day supply. Total, $297, $177. Free US shipping. Contact